5 extra horsepower. I can feel it, guys. I can feel the 5 extra horsepower. How about that? So if you look here in this, see those metal flakes down in there? It's all inside of it. I got a lot of it out, but fair warning, before you put one of these on, man, make sure the inside of it's clean. So what I'm actually doing to get it cleaned out is taking some shop towels, stuff it down in there, take the flat head and just rub it all on the sides, and you see it all fall out. You see it on the camera, not. Stick it through here. You see a little bit of it on the camera. Try to get all those metal flakes out. That just come from them machining everything, cutting all this out and welding everything. I wouldn't call it normal, but I'm gonna tell you, it's definitely not good to put this on with that metal in there. So, all right, we got it all cleaned out. Those marks you see in there just indentations, I guess. Just little imprints from the flicks that was in it. It's all cleaned out. Spray brake clean in here. So let's go ahead and get this thing put on. That hose won't fit. A lot of this with hoses. Let's get this on. Put your mass airflow sensor on. You want to make sure this side is facing towards the air filter, towards the way the air comes in, so air goes in that way to it. This goes to size. This is the actual bracket that you want to put on just to hold the intake down to the actual car. So I'll show you what I'm going to do with this. Just going to put it in the vise and bend it, and you'll understand in 2 seconds. There you have it. Everything's in. It's pretty much cut and dry, just a quick drop in. Not 100% sure if this will clear the hood, but I'm thinking it should, just because it's lower than this. But yeah, we should be good to go. Now we can take the Gs for a test drive, see how it sounds and performs. Let's see. No check engine light. The throttle is off. Something's not right. Alright guys, I had the intake on. So far the car is acting a little funny. Maybe because I don't have that much fuel. So I'm driving up to the gas station and see what goes on once I put more fuel in here. with this intake, I think the issue is it's not properly sealing by the mass airflow, because it does feel like a slight misfire. When I smash on the gas, when I smash on the gas pedal, to like try to dig in it, is like a mean backfire. So I'm 100% sure it's something up with the mass airflow, but we'll know for sure once we put a little bit more fuel in here. It does feel like it's acting a little bit better. I know I did spray a lot of brake fluid inside that intake, so that may be an issue too. But by the time we fill up and head back to the house, we should know, or at least feel a big difference, if it is due to too much brake cleaner being inside the intake or whatnot. All right, gang, so we all filled up, ready to go. I'm driving back to the house just in case anything goes wrong, I'm closer to my house. So let's see. It does feel like that little misfire went away. It might have been because I just didn't have any gas. Let's see. It does feel a lot better. Maybe it's just demanding more gas or something. I'm not sure. So let's see. There's a guy went across the middle of the street, not in the crosswalk. So let me avoid him. I'm gonna try to mash on it real quick, see what we got. Okay, it's a lot better. So it's actually working. I don't know if it was the brake fluid that I sprayed all over the place or what. It is doing a lot better. I mean, it's stock 2J, so it's not gonna be really powerful, but it was like a loud pop when I smashed the gas the first time. So yeah, it's good. So with the eBay, what I got off eBay, yeah, I got the eBay D&D cold air intake, 5 extra horsepower. I can feel it, guys. I can feel the 5 extra horsepower. How about that? I'll be honest with you. I'll be very, very honest with you. This thing shifts at like 5,000 RPM just now. I do have it in power mode, and I usually really never speed in this thing, but I can feel a difference. It's a slight difference in it. Very big difference in it. I'm gonna turn back around. I'm gonna show you guys. All right, guys, so we in regular D, so I'll show you. Just watch how the RPMs go. As you can see, it's definitely a difference. I can honestly say it's a big difference. Like I said, I usually never really speed in it, but when I go to merge on the highway, I do punch it. It never gets up as fast as it's going now. So I would say it probably didn't gain horsepower, but as far as torque wise, it actually unleashed a little bit more torque. And I can actually feel it. It's not aggressive as the SC. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you, but it's decent. It's decent. I paid, I think, like $70 shipped to the house for this. I'll leave a link in the description to that. And I'm gonna go ahead and head home and finish putting some more parts on this GS300. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.